a lot of ways that we can learn in school, and we've decided that in order to teach the trial process, that we would give students an opportunity to run through a mock trial. This year's mock trial is going to be involving the two counts of second-degree murder, and the accused is a woman named Karen Rosita.
My name is Karen Rosita. I'm being charged with second-degree murder. I was abused by my husband and I'm innocent. My lawyers are going to do the utmost to prove this in court.
In the country of Canada, in the province of British Columbia, in the Supreme Court of British Columbia, in the matter of Her Majesty the Queen against Karen Rosita. Karen Rosita stands charged with that Karen Rosita on the 2nd day of November 2006 AD in the town of Sandwichdon in the province of British Columbia did commit murder in the 2nd degree on the person of William Rosita. Karen Rosita, having heard the charges against you, do you plead guilty or not guilty?
I am Judge Johnson for the Karen Rosita case. Should be a very interesting case. Hope the Crown can make a good attack, and hopefully the defense can represent a good defense for the accused Karen Rosita.
The lawyers of the court introduce themselves to the court.
May it please Your Honor, Patrick Ball appearing for the Crown.
May it please Your Honor, Sarah Doherty appearing for the Crown.
May it please Your Honor, Nurika Narendrabalan appearing for the Crown.
May it please Your Honor, Miranda Pearson appearing for the defense.
May it please Your Honor, Josh Greats appearing for the defense.
May it please Your Honor, Cameron Francisini appearing for the defense.
I'm Sarah Doherty, and I'm a Crown lawyer in the case of second-degree murder against Karen Rosita. We will be proving that Karen Rosita did commit second-degree murder on the 2nd day of November in 2006.
My name is Josh Greats. I'm the defense lawyer for the Karen Rosita murder case in Victoria, and currently I am doing my research on the witnesses, the Crown witnesses, and the defense witnesses. We want the jury and the public to know that Karen was a victim of domestic violence, and that myself and the defense team will do all that we can to make sure that she gets a fair trial.
Would the Crown like to make an opening statement to the jury?
Yes, Your Honor. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, today you are present to determine the guilt or the innocence of the accused Karen Rosita. As Crown, our duty is to present the facts against Miss Rosita. Miss Rosita has been charged with murder in the 2nd degree. The victim of this horrendous crime was her husband of 8 years, Mr. William Rosita.
Would the defense like to make an opening statement to the jury?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. My name is Josh Greats, and along with my defense team, I am here to proudly represent Ms. Karen Rosita in our case today. Following the Crown's opening statement, we would like to reveal the history of Mrs. Rosita's detrimental personal life and her emotionally and physically scarring relationship with her late husband of 8 years, whom she loved dearly. According to close family members, friends, and medical professionals, Mrs. Rosita's emotional health has declined ever since the beginning of her relationship with William Rosita. Not only has she suffered emotional damage, but she has additionally suffered severe bruising all over her body, even risking her life at times. Subsequent to her extensive abuse, Mrs. Rosita has changed as a person, no longer as emotionally healthy as she used to be.
Can you tell us exactly what happened on November 2nd, 2006?
I was in my house at 768 Redwood Road and I heard screams and crashes.
Did Karen say anything about her husband? She provided for murder.
Yes, she said she wished he was killed.
She wanted insurance for her and her husband because they were getting older, and she wanted to make sure in case of an accident that they were financially protected. Did she say what kind of accident? No, she did not.
I noticed most of the furniture in the living room was pushed over or moved from its original position.
Where was the murder weapon?
Beside the body.
What is your relationship to the accused Karen Rosita?
She was one of my patient.
How would you describe her overall health?
I would say she's a healthy, great woman. She's had no major health problems.
Is it true that you have seen a decline over the years though?
Yes.
What were you doing on the night of November 2nd, 2006?
I was just sitting in my home.
Were you aware of the fight that was going on in your neighbor's house?
Yeah, I heard it happening and I planned to call the police, but as I was about to, they were already there.
Have you ever given her any advice?
I've given her the advice to leave William on several occasions.
And why was this?
Because she's been beaten by him. Dr. Rebecca Felstead, Doctor of Psychiatric Medicine.
After your interviews with Karen Rosita on 6 separate occasions, what, in your professional opinion, does Karen Rosita suffer from?
Battered spouse syndrome.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I would like you to carefully consider all the facts that have been presented to you. I advise you strongly to think about the repercussions of your decision. And at this time, I will call a 5-minute recess so that you may consider your verdict. Karen Rosita, please stand. You have been found guilty by a jury of your peers. Have you anything to say before sentencing is passed upon you? At this time, will the sheriffs please lead Karen Rosita out of the court?